Today I'm going to be discussing how to graph your y-intercept equation as well as how to find the y-intercept. So first let's go ahead and try and make our y-intercept. So when I take a look at the equation, I have y is equal to x plus 2. So that plus 2 is going to be my plus b, really, with this equation. And that b is going to be my y-intercept. So when I have plus 2, I'm really just going to put this on the positive 2 of the y-axis. So I'm going to go drag that over here onto that. And then what I want to do next is move my line so where it intersects the y-axis at 2. So I'd have a line like this. So this is the exact line for y is equal to x plus 2. Taking a look at the next slide where I have y is equal to x minus 8. Well, my equation normally says y is equal to x plus b. When I have y equals x minus 8, I would actually have to start by putting my point at the negative 8 on my y-axis. Because then I'm going to put my line over it, and it's going to intersect my y-axis at negative 8. So this would be the line y is equal to x minus 8. If we take a look at this type, this already has my line given to me, and we already have one of the circles given to us. So what I want to do is I want to pull out my y-intercept. I see that on this graph in particular, my y-intercept is at positive 1. So my b is going to be equal to 1. And so I'm going to make my equation. I'm going to just plug my 1 in for the b in this equation. So I have y equals x plus 1. Notice how I just put in 1 instead of b because my b value is equal to 1. If we take a look at this second example, I can see where my dot is, but you may not always have your dot. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of it. Now I have just this line, and I want to see where it crosses that y-axis. So I see it cross my y-axis at negative 4. So that means I'm going to put b is equal to negative 4 in there. And I'm going to then write my equation. Since it's a negative, it's going to say x minus 4. So I'm going to write y equals x minus 4 as my equation. Because it's a negative, it's going to say negative or minus 4 as opposed to the positive numbers, which would have plus 4. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact your teacher.